At IFA, the next big thing is around every corner.
So as the official partner of Metas, our new released core product with the integrated earphone and also the inside battery. Appearance is very clean and it's almost consistent with the Meta Quest device.
Global Sources Online connects you to vetted suppliers like these.
This is our new product with the LCD screen. Just like your watch, you can use it for the weather, for the time, or others. We hope to meet more clients who are interested in the unique designs and the good stuff.
Find IFA's top products on Global Sources today.